Appreciate it. Okay, this planet is similar to Mars. Actually, never mind. It's pretty much the complete opposite of Mars. First of all, it's the closest planet to the Sun, besides the hypothetical planet that is forever locked in rotation completely opposite us behind the Sun, so that we would never be able to see it, but that's a tale for another day. Due to its proximity to the Sun, the heat is completely insane and brutally intense. On the bright side of Mercury, temperatures reach upwards of 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and on the cold side, it reaches negative 290 degrees or colder. So your options are pretty much either to be baked or freeze-dried. I'll take the latter. At 800 degrees Fahrenheit, all the liquid in your body would evaporate, turning you into a sun-dried tomato in a very short amount of time. Also, notice I said cold and hot side, not night and day. That's because Mercury rotates very slowly. One side is almost always in the dark and cold, while the other is insanely hot. This means that, hypothetically, you'd be able to find a spot right in the middle where it's not too hot or too cold. So if you could, what issues would you face at that point? Besides the obvious lack of oxygen, which would essentially lead to the same kind of death as dying in space, there are a couple other issues you may face, namely in the form of giant plasma tornadoes. And I'm not even going to try to explain those, just let your imagination run free. Also, Mercury does actually have a magnetosphere, so thankfully, you'll be protected from radiation.